podcast 2025. Today we have with us Dr. Pushpa Gure. Ma'am, NEP, National Education Policy 2020. I would like to know how it has affected the academics and the curriculum over the years.
One of the most important factor is multidisciplinary approach. National education policy encourage institute to allow student to select subject beyond their specialization subject. So, for example, hotel management student can opt elective in digital marketing. They can opt elective in fine arts, fashion designing, things that will increase or develop their soft skill, which will broaden their career opportunities in hospitality and tourism sector.
So this is affecting their overall degree that they get in the end of their year.
Correct. Students will get the liberty to customize their education and they can build a set of skills which is required in today's fast growing hospitality industry.
Correct. And ma'am, having so many years working in the academic, how do you manage and handle all the academic work, like all the curriculum that is pertaining to a particular program?
Industry partnership plays a massive role here. Institute regularly collaborate with the top hotel chains, restaurants, tourism boards. We invite industry people to conduct the lectures, to organize the workshop. They are also on the academic board. They majorly contribute in designing the curriculum. Apart from the industry partnership, I would say the contribution of the alumni. Students who have passed out, we take their feedback, so they fill the gap between what is been taught to them and what is currently required in the industry. So these two things play a major role in designing the curriculum.